Paul and welcome to everyone. Embarking on the ketogenic diet can feel like stepping into a new world of eating. You're excited about the potential benefits, from weight loss to increased energy and mental clarity. But what if you're making common mistakes that could derail your progress without even realizing it? Many beginners, and even some seasoned keto enthusiasts, fall into traps that prevent them from achieving their goals. It's not just about what you should eat, it's equally important to understand what you shouldn't do. Today, we're going to uncover 5 critical mistakes that can sabotage your keto journey. Understanding these pitfalls is your secret weapon for sustained success. By avoiding them, you'll optimize your body's fat-burning potential and truly thrive on keto. Let's dive into the first crucial error. The cornerstone of the ketogenic diet is severe carbohydrate restriction. To enter and maintain ketosis, you typically need to keep your net carb intake below 20 to 50 grams per day. However, many people underestimate the carb content in seemingly innocent foods. Hidden carbs lurk in many processed foods, sauces, dressings, and even some vegetables. Relying on guesswork or simply avoiding obvious carb sources like bread and pasta isn't enough. This can easily kick you out of ketosis without you knowing why. To avoid this, diligently track your net carbs, especially in the beginning. Use a reliable food tracking app to log everything you consume. Read nutrition labels carefully, paying attention to serving sizes and total carbohydrates, then subtract fiber and sugar alcohols for net carbs. This precision ensures you stay within your carb limit, allowing your body to consistently produce ketones. It's the most fundamental step to keto success. When you start keto, your body sheds a lot of water, especially in the initial phase. This is because carbohydrate stores, called glycogen, bind to water. As glycogen depletes, so does the water, leading to rapid weight loss. However, this water loss also flushes out essential electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. A deficiency in these minerals can lead to the dreaded keto flu symptoms, headaches, fatigue, muscle cramps, and irritability. Many people mistakenly attribute these symptoms to the diet itself, rather than an electrolyte imbalance. To combat this, actively replenish your electrolytes. Increase your sodium intake by salting your food generously or drinking bone broth. Incorporate potassium-rich foods like avocados, spinach, and mushrooms. Consider a magnesium supplement, especially before bed, to aid sleep and muscle function. Staying hydrated with plenty of water is also crucial, but remember that water alone won't solve an electrolyte deficiency. Proper electrolyte balance is key to feeling your best on keto. While keto is a low-carb, high-fat diet, it's often misunderstood as a high-protein diet. This is a common misconception. Consuming excessive amounts of protein can actually hinder ketosis. When you eat too much protein, your body can convert the excess amino acids into glucose through a process called gluconeogenesis. This raises your blood sugar and insulin levels, potentially kicking you out of ketosis. Your body prioritizes burning glucose over fat. Aim for moderate protein intake, typically around 0.6 to 0.8 grams per pound of lean body mass. This provides enough protein to preserve muscle mass without interfering with ketone production. Focus on quality protein sources like fatty cuts of meat, eggs, and fish. Balance is key. Protein is essential, but it shouldn't dominate your plate. Prioritize healthy fats to fuel your body. For decades, dietary fat has been demonized, leading to a widespread fear of consuming it. On a ketogenic diet, however, healthy fats are your primary fuel source. Many beginners struggle to embrace this fundamental shift. If you don't consume enough fat, your body won't have the energy it needs, and you'll feel hungry, tired, and unsatisfied. This often leads to cravings and eventually breaking the diet. Your body needs fat to produce ketones and sustain energy levels. Embrace healthy fats from sources like avocados, olive oil, coconut oil, butter, ghee, nuts, and fatty fish. Don't shy away from adding extra fat to your meals. This is what makes keto satiating and sustainable. Remember, fat is not the enemy on keto, it's your friend. It provides the energy your body needs to thrive in a state of ketosis. Some people on keto mistakenly believe they should avoid all vegetables due to carb content. This leads to a diet lacking in essential micronutrients, fiber, and antioxidants. While starchy vegetables are out, non-starchy options are vital. Restricting vegetables too much can lead to nutrient deficiencies, digestive issues due to lack of fiber, and a monotonous diet that's hard to stick with long-term. Your body needs the vitamins, minerals, and fiber found in these plant foods. Load up on leafy greens like spinach, kale, and lettuce. Broccoli, cauliflower, asparagus, bell peppers, and zucchini are also excellent choices. These vegetables are low in net carbs but packed with nutrients. They add volume, flavor, and crucial fiber to your meals. Incorporating a variety of non-starchy vegetables ensures you get a broad spectrum of nutrients, supporting overall health and making your keto diet more enjoyable and sustainable. Navigating the ketogenic diet can be incredibly rewarding, but it requires understanding and avoiding common pitfalls. By accurately tracking your carbs, prioritizing electrolyte balance, moderating protein intake, embracing healthy fats, and including plenty of non-starchy vegetables, you're setting yourself up for success. These 5 mistakes are easily avoidable once you're aware of them. Don't let them derail your progress. Instead, use this knowledge to refine your approach and optimize your keto journey. Remember, consistency and informed choices are your greatest allies. You have the power to transform your health and achieve your goals. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep thriving on your keto path. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the video and press the bell icon for more health tips and information. See you in next video.